Love history and timeless treasures? Starting an antique shop in Malaysia can be both a rewarding and profitable venture. Let's explore how you can turn your passion for antiques into a thriving business. First, you'll need to register your business with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM. Most antique shops choose a private limited company to ensure professional credibility and business flexibility. Next, find a strategic location. Cultural hotspots, tourist areas, or heritage towns are ideal. A good mix of walk-in customers and online presence will help your shop reach collectors from all over the world. Source your antiques carefully. Build relationships with trusted collectors, estate sales, and auction houses, and always verify authenticity. It's also wise to consult valuation experts and secure insurance coverage to protect your collection. Promote your antique shop both offline and online. Use social media, e-commerce platforms, and storytelling to highlight each piece's unique history and charm. From business registration to tax and compliance, 3E Accounting Malaysia is here to guide you through every step of your antique business journey.